You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases that many mispronounce. If you want to learn actual names from Poland, some of the most common but also confusing ones, I've got many more videos coming up. I'll link to a few for you at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So this phrase is to be pronounced in English as Polish, okay? So it's not Polish, because Polish means to clean, okay, or to make a surface shiny. It's Polish name, or the plural, how to pronounce Polish names. Polish name pronunciation, or Polish name. So not Polish name, Polish, meaning from Poland. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.